Kim asat karma bhi bhaved. So here, the first thing in any yoga system is controlling the mind and the senses. Without that, it will not be possible to enter into spiritual happiness. As such, mind and sense control is not spiritual, it is material. That's why we sometimes become little lax. I'm chanting Hare Krishna, I'm reading Bhagavad. What is mind sense control? No. Because at this moment we are trapped in the body and this mind. There is sense activities in the spiritual world also. But those activities are without any illusion. There also devotees are eating, the devotees are dancing, but there is no illusion acting on them. So the activities are done in platform of knowledge, full knowledge. So there is no mistake there. And the activities done give unlimited pleasure. But in the material world, what is happening? You are sick now. It's like suppose you are having high fever. And in that, you want to dance. Then what is going to happen? In that, if you are going to dance, it is going to lead to a lot of problems or not? You want to run, you want to eat ice cream, you want to go for jogging, you are having 104 fever. You have to be careful now. So similarly, because we are in a presently a sick condition of the body and mind, it is very difficult at this condition. We have to be extremely careful. Otherwise, our spiritual life will not begin. And more we will get trapped. Nunam pramatta kurute vikarma yate indriya priti apna. We will be trapped. And one thing leads to another. It is called a sliding slope. The nature of sense activities is such. It is entangling. And it is very difficult to come out. Nayam dev bhajam. And what is a great deal? Nayam dev bhajam niloki kashtan kaman arte vidbhujamye. Even pigs get it. So what is an excitement? What is an excitement in doing these activities? There should be no excitement. Yehi samsvarshaja bhoga. Now let us analyze this. Yehi samsvarshaja bhoga. What does it mean? All the material happiness is nothing but samsvarshaja bhoga. It's a contact of the senses with the sense object. That's the nature of material happiness. Bhagavad Gita, 22nd verse. Which chapter it is? 5th chapter. Yehi samsvarshaja bhoga. Bhoga means enjoyment. Coming from what? Samsparshaja. Contact of the senses with the sense object. Dukkhayonava evate. It can only give you dukkha. Prabhupada says, it is the mother of all miseries. Very nicely writes in the purport of the shloka. It is the mother of all miseries. All the problems, as you can say, starts from we trying to enjoy senses contacting with the sense object. Dukkha yona. Yona means, yoni means giving birth, correct? So, if you want to search for mother of all the pain, it is senses coming in contact with the sense object. Okay? Eyes coming in contact with beautiful rupa, ears coming in contact with the music, skin is coming in contact with the, so like that. So basically, yehi samsparshaja bhoga dukkha yonava evate. Therefore, the first thing is they will stop sense gratification, because you are bringing yourself, the mind and body will come into such kind of anxiety and tension. That's like why we say avoid the 4 regulative principles, because it will bring you to such stage of anxiety and distress for the both body and mind. You cannot think about Krishna. Correct? If you are taking intoxication, what is going to happen? It is going to cause you great distress of the body and mind. The body is gone and mind is also gone. Illicit sex, again it will destroy your body and mind. Gambling, again it will destroy your body and mind. And then meat eating, again. So why these therefore these activities are says don't do, because if the mind and body is not in peaceful condition, how will you serve Krishna? How will you serve Krishna? Is it possible? Therefore, why you are bringing dukkha? Anyway, there is enough trouble in this world. Padam padam yat vipadam anatesha. Every step there is a danger in this world. You are further adding more anxiety. So we should be intelligent. To develop this intelligence, you have to hear to the scriptures. And Shokla is saying, if you do not spend time hearing scriptures, then what is the use of material activity? Because scripture will save you from that. Any scripture will give you a lot of material. How to control the mind and senses. How to discriminate the matter from the spirit. And take out the essence. What I should do. But you don't have time for this. So what is the use of temporary activities? Prabhupada is talking in the purport how the Western civilization today are the idols. Idols means they are the heroes. True or not? Whole world is looking. Wow, what is so attractive? What is so attractive? Sense gratification. And people are so much enamored by sense gratification. They are the heroes. Why every youngster wants to watch an American movie? Because he sees Western movie, sees them enjoying. And they are the idols. They look so attractive. And they want to enjoy. I want to also enjoy like them. They are having such facilities for enjoyment. Why is it that if somebody comes from a Western country, people are so excited to meet him? For what purpose? What is the purpose? Must be really enjoying. As if he has come from heaven. They look at him. Foreign return means he has come from some unlimited enjoyment. Such unfortunate condition of the society today. Because they do not know what is real enjoyment. No idea. Ramante yogino anante. So let us finish the first shloka first. Yehi samsparshaja bhoga. Dukkhayo nave evate. But any enjoyment, bhoga, which comes from contact with senses, the sense object, is the mother of all miseries. Dukkha yonava eva. It will give birth to dukkha. Adi antavantaha kaunteya. Then Krishna is saying one more argument. You want unlimited happiness. Anybody wants limited happiness? No. You want unlimited happiness. But this happiness is limited. It has a beginning, it ends. Isn't it true? You want to eat gobi manchuri. Take a eat. How long you will eat? Half an hour. Then you cannot eat. Yes, I don't want now. You want to eat rasgulla. How much you will eat? After that, you don't want. So it has a adi, it has a anta. This knowledge I understand. Many spiritualists speak. But where there is real happiness, they can't speak. Because they have no information of positive form of the Lord, no information of positive spiritual activities. Don't do material activities. That's okay. What about spiritual activities? That activities of the soul and liberation, who will teach you? This much is not very big deal. Anybody will teach you this. If he has read the scriptures. Yehi samsparshaja bhoga dukkhayo nave evate adi antavanta kaunteya nateshu ramate buddhaha. This is understood? This is very basic. Those who are buddha, this word comes again. When we came recently, this word, somewhere this word buddha we saw again. Buddha means those who are intelligent. They will not deal in this. Correct? Buddha. I think Sunday we dealt with that. So Buddha means those who are intelligent. They do not deal with this low class happiness. But then therefore human society has to advance. And how to advance? The Prabhupada in the purport in this quotes of the shloka. What is the shloka number? 5.22? Yeah, 5.22. Open 5th chapter, 22nd verse. You'll find this verse. The Prabhupada writes a very nice purport in the shloka and he says, Ramante yogino anante. Those who are real yogis, Ramante means they enjoy. What they enjoy? Anante. Unlimited happiness. Not this limited adi anta. No. Satyananda. Real happiness. Finally you want happiness. No? If you limit yourself to enjoying sensual happiness, what's the big deal? Animals also get that. Life is for happiness. Understood? And we have lot of intelligence. If we limit ourselves to enjoy what animals are also getting, what's the use of intelligence? A dog is there. You are there. You are extremely intelligent. Purpose of life is to enjoy. Shouldn't you enjoy more than the dog? Isn't that the use of intelligence? Otherwise, what's the use? Just like you went to America. Why do people leave the job in India and go to America? They earn more money. And he came back bankrupt. What's the use of going to America? What is the use then? Better stay here. The same way, if you are in human body, which is supposed to be the best body and the most intelligent body, and you cannot enjoy more than the animal, then what is the use? What is the use then? Rather, very interestingly, animals are enjoying more than the human beings today. This has been understood. I given many time example. When I was small, I had a cat in my house. And I was in anxiety whether I'll get a seat. I just look at the cat enjoying more than me. No work. Whole day sit. Whole day sleep. And we are in anxiety. Actually, animals are enjoying more than us today. This is such a nonsense civilization we have created. Such a nonsense civilization. Everything phalena parichyate, we have to see by result. Such an advanced civilization, such an intelligent civilization we have created that animals are enjoying more than us. Animals will be having a great laugh actually. Look at them. You go to Vrindavan, in the sun they will be lying like this, like a kings. You have seen? They are not bothered. And we are in tension there. Our purse will go, this will go, holding everything. There you see the open area, some stone there, like a Raja there lying and enjoying sunshine. And actually animals are enjoying. Because we have created a nonsense civilization. Somehow, intelligence is there. We are not saying human being doesn't have extra intelligence. Dushkriti, it is used in such a wrong way. Isn't it a mess? Suppose the purpose of life, was to make money. That's what today the purpose of life is. And if somebody is not having money, what do you say? He is a fool, number one. Somebody has asked this question. Are you intelligent? He said, wait a minute. He took his pocket and he brought out a lot of money. Yeah, I am intelligent. Intelligence today means how to make money. Correct? If somebody is very rich, very intelligent. Very intelligent. And if somebody is poor, they made recently it became very viral. They took a small girl and dressed her in a European country. They dressed her in all torn clothes and all, like a homeless civilization. Take it. Homeless girl, like that. Oh boy. And then they left it in the street. Lot of people are talking here and there. Nobody paid attention to that girl. She actually needs attention. And then what they did, the same girl they took, they dressed her like a girl from a good house with makeup and all. Small girl, maybe 8 years, 10 years. Everybody, how are you? Same part. So this is our civilization. We have not developed a very advanced civilization. So Ramante Yogino Anante Satyanande, that's the intelligence. So real achievement is that you enjoy more. Okay? That's the real achievement of life. Money is because fools, they don't understand. Money doesn't buy happiness. Money is not proportional to happiness. This has been understood actually. So Ramante Yogino Anante Satyanande Chidatmani. With full knowledge. Chit means knowledge. The soul is Atmani. The soul is fully enjoying a true happiness. Satyanande. Iti Rama Pade Nashu. Therefore the God's another name is Ram. Iti Ram. Therefore we chant Hare Krishna mantra. Another meaning of the word Ram is unlimited enjoyment he gives. Therefore Krishna also name can be Ram. Ram is not in any way all the names you can apply to Krishna. Because everything he has. He is the origin. And also Ram refers to Bhagwan Ram. And there are 3 Rams in the history. What are the 3 Rams? Sita Ram. Okay. So anyway, so iti Rama Pade Nashu. Therefore, the Lord's name is Ram. What is the meaning of the word Krishna? Akarshiti iti Krishna. He attracts everyone. Because of all the opulences, he attracts. Therefore, Krishna name is called Mukhya. Because finally, if somebody is giving you unlimited happiness, you become very attracted to him. So iti Rama Pade Nashu Param Brahma Abhidiyate. Param Brahma, the Supreme Lord. This is the name given to him, Ram. Why? Ramante yogino anante. He gives you unlimited happiness, and which is true. So now our human form of life, therefore, should not be lost. Now, how do you come to know all this? By Vedic literature. And you do not read. Then what is the use? Kim asat karma bhi bhavet. What is the use of human life if you do not get time, you do not keep time for reading the Vedic literature and save yourself from sense gratification? I'll give you one more shloka of Vedic literature which can save us. This is the shloka given by Prahlad Maharaj in his prayers to Narasimha Deva, 5-year-old boy. His prayers are so meaningful. And he has not experienced things, but he has experienced by hearing. Only a fool has to experience something to learn. An intelligent man learns by hearing. I give that example many times. Suppose there is fire here. The first class intelligent man, I will say, I'll say don't touch the fire. It's very hot. First class intelligent man will understand and not do it. Because he has heard, he has understood. The second class intelligent man doesn't learn by hearing. He learns by experience. He goes and burns his hand, and then after say touch, he will not touch. Just say third class, one hand, another hand, this leg. He's burning, hand is burning, leg is burning, but he's going on. The modern civilization is third class intelligence. Not even, what is its advancement then? Now coming to understanding. What it says, Yanmay tunadi grihamedi sukam hitocham kanduyanena karoyor hiva dukkha dukkham tripyanti neha kripanaha bahu dukkha bhaja kandutivam manushijam vishaheta dhiraha. Now let us understand word by word. Yanmay tunadi. What is the greatest pleasure in this word? Sex. Grihamedi. Who enjoy this? Not grihasthas. Grihasthas are busy serving the Lord. Grihamedis. Yanmay tunadi grihamedi sukam hitocham. He is saying. How is he saying tucha? Because of hearing. So only by hearing you can give up material pleasures. You cannot give up by experience. Yanmay tunadi grihamedi sukam hitocham. Why is he saying tucham? Now he is giving reason. Yanmay tunadi grihamedi sukam hitocham kanduyanena karayoriva dukkha dukkham. Just like in the, you get itching sensation. Karayo in the hands. Sometimes you get, in the hands you get itching sensation. What do you do? It will not end. Sometime morning you get itching on your eyes. Start. When you come down, it is red. The eyes are red. Right? You have to stop it. It will give pleasure. Everybody has an experience of this or not? Huh? Little you rub, it will start itching. Keep rubbing, and then you go to the mirror, it is red. And still you feel like itching. What you will do? You want to take out your eyes or what? You have to stop. Prabhupada gives a very nice argument. There is a devotee who has the memories of Prabhupada. And he says he was previous coming to Prabhupada, himself a spiritualist. His name was Swami Atmananda. So when he came to Prabhupada, Prabhupada gave him the name, he became a Diksha disciple. What is the name Prabhupada gave? Atma Tattva. Yes, very nice. So what happened? Very nice memories, he said. And he says, I was standing in front of Prabhupada. And Prabhupada has a unique ability. He will see a person, he can size them peacefully and instruct him exactly. Many devotees had this experience. So he was standing and he was doing Chambara to Prabhupada, and Prabhupada was giving evening class and there were flies around. So he was trying to move the flies away. So then Prabhupada said, looked at him. Material life is like this. When you rub, little pleasure is there. When you rub more, more pleasure is there. Just like itching, correct? But then you have to stop. Why? Not because you are satisfied, because blood has come out. You see this? Nobody stops sense gratification because he is satisfied. Because then it becomes dangerous. Correct? blood has, you start, it like eyes, keep. Then when blood comes, then you stop. Otherwise you cannot stop. So therefore it requires intelligence. Yan matunadi grihamedi sukami tucham kanduya nena karayor iva dukkha dukkham. Again the same. It is the birth of all miseries. Correct? You keep rubbing. How you will rub? When it becomes red, you have to stop then. It is paining now. Tripyanti neha. Look at it. Just by hearing he has understood. You cannot understood this by experience. He said nobody was ever satisfied. Just like you have one kind of liquor. You say, no, I'm not going to drink it. Finished. Tomorrow you will see in the shop another new brand is there, another color. Let me try this one. Or take gulab jamun. You ate 10. You say, sick of it now. Now what is somebody will put in the inside the gulab jamun? They put sweet. You have seen that? In the center of gulab jamun they make a sweet. And they put another color. Let me try this one. Just now you said no more. Tirpayanti neva, you will never be satisfied. Not this way, not this way. This way you try, not satisfied. I didn't add like that. And when it will end, it will never end. 84 lakh species, varieties of enjoyment keep jumping. You will never be satisfied. Tirpayanti na ahya. Tirpayanti neha kripadaha. You are such a miser. Why? You could have enjoyed spiritual happiness. You are wasting your time with material happiness. This way. You will never be satisfied. Kripadaha. And again warning. Bahu dukkha bhaja. You are bringing so much pain on yourself by these activities. Then he says, Kandutivam. All this itching sensation. Visheheta. Just tolerate. Just like if you have itching sensation. Everybody gets itching sensation. Take an example. Suppose you get cut in your hand. What do? Doctor will stitch it. After that there is the itching sensation. Doctor says don't itch. So those who want to follow the Lord, they tolerate. You cannot say that we do not get desires. Ideas will come. Mind work is to bring ideas every day. Billions. So those who are sober, what they will do? Those who want to obey the Lord, they will tolerate. Itching may be unimaginable. No, I am not going to do it. Why? I have given word to the Lord. How can I break my word? Correct? Itching. What is that? He becomes a sober man. Kandutim. Oh, second class man, this first class. Second class man, little he will itch around. Not too much, little. That is second class man. He doesn't have faith in the Shastra and Acharya. Little he wants to have fun. And the last class man is itching, blood is coming, still itching. That is the lowest. So, Kandutivam, this itching, Kandutivam, Yanma tunadi grihameti sukam hitocham, Kanduyanena karayoriva dukkha dukkham, Tirpyanti neha kripanaha bahudukka bhaja, Kandutivam, Manushajam, Visheheta dhira. So Kandutivam is itching is there. This man, what is that? Visheheta, he tolerates. And therefore we call him dhira, a sober man. So he is requesting us to become dhira. You want to become dhira or adhir? Dhir. The definition of dhira is this. It tolerates. Dhira doesn't mean, some kind of thing. Dhira means he tolerates. The urge is coming. I will not do it. So therefore, this kind of knowledge comes from the Vedic literature. You do not read. You do not follow. Then, kimma satkarma bhi bhavet. What is the use of your temporary material activities? Because whatever you are doing, animal also does. So nothing so special. Srila Prabhupada ki. Srimad Bhagavatam ki.